What's going on, Second Amendment supporters and lovers? Do a quick video of a comparison of two of my favorite firearms that are part of my collection currently. 10-inch Ruger, 7-inch Bear Creek Arms. Got a 7.62 by 39 7-inch, 5.56/223, 10-inch by Ruger. Not 100% sure, but I believe that this may be a 4 by 32 illuminated scope, tri-illuminated red, blue, green options, and basic hollow sun shake awake red dot on the 7-inch. These are hands down my two favorite firearms out of my entire collection. The sling setup is the same on both of them, so I can take my sling off of this one and put it right on the Ruger. So, just a quick comparison. Right off the bat is pretty obvious. First thing that you would notice is the Ruger is a rear charge setup. The Bear Creek Arms is a side charge setup. Charger handle on the side, charger handle on the rear, 10-inch barrel, 7-inch barrel, cheap flashlight, HS1 Viridian laser hand stop on both of them. It pretty much goes without saying, but for the people who don't know, that is a 223 round on the left, 7.62 by 39 round on the right. Now, some people will say, why would you get a AR pistol in 7.62 by 39? Well, it's obvious. A big round, devastating stopping power. Me and a buddy of mine were kind of going back and forth one day, comparing apples to oranges. And I can honestly say that I was convinced before I left that I would need to add something that utilizes that large stopping power round to my collection. But I didn't necessarily want to just grab an AK because I'm not as familiar with the platform. I mean, I am familiar with it, but I'm a lot more familiar with the AR platform. So with that being said, the best of both worlds, grab an AR and 7.62 by 39 and an AR pistol with that. This is a great CQB style weapon. This is a little more moderate range, but still, nonetheless, I would use either one for home self-defense, either one for a truck gun. If I could get my hands on either one in any situation, I really don't prefer this or that. If I could, whichever one I could get to first, essentially, is the one I'm gonna go with if I was ever in a situation. Ammo would be, I guess, the deciding factor. Me personally, I have nothing against steel. I don't like running steel. And I know a lot of people say this and that, but they don't run steel themselves. So don't be fooled by a lot of the content creators that talk a lot of stuff, but behind closed doors, their attitudes don't necessarily reflect the same thing that they may say in front of a camera. And another quick disclaimer, my pistol brace strap is in the washing machine. I did drop some chicken wings on there. There's a little evidence still right there. So my strap is in the washing machine as we speak. But again, apples to apples, oranges to oranges. Just a quick comparison of the two. Bear Creek Arms, side charger, model, hollow sun red dot. I did replace both of my grips. Every AR style firearm that I have will utilize this exact same grip. So my hand has a familiar feel when I'm holding the firearm. It's a very, very comfortable, ergonomical grip. Firearm won't slip, rubberized. And what can I say? I think the Ruger I've got about, I would say 9 to 10, 50 rounds through downrange. And the Bear Creek Arms, because 7.62 brass is a little harder to find, I probably got about 600 to 700, somewhere in there. Both of them are broken in just fine. They run flawlessly. I will say with the Bear Creek Arms, I did have to add the enhanced firing pin, which is common with the 7.62 by 39 AR platform. Because of the way the strikers and primers are on the steel case ammo, you will have a lot of soft impacts. And that was fixed with the enhanced firing pin. And Bear Creek Arms as a company actually started to offer all of their 7.62 by 39 uppers with enhanced firing pin, so people don't have that problem. I run Pro Mag magazines in my Bear Creek Arms, and I also have a Radical full 16-inch AR-15 and 7.62 by 39 that runs the same mags, and I have not had one single misfeed or failure to feed or stovepipe, anything whatsoever. No issues whatsoever. So 7.62 by 39 AR platform with Pro Mag, blued steel, I definitely recommend. These are also Pro Mag 42 rounders. And they run flawlessly also. I am kind of crazy with the ammo, so when loading, I will swap rounds. As you see, I do have hunting rounds and hollow tips loaded for whatever situation. But just want to do a quick comparison. 7-inch 7.62 by 39. 10-inch Ruger. 10-inch Ruger. 7-inch Bear Creek Arms. 4x32 illuminated scope. One-time red dot. Both have, like I said, HS1 Viridian Arms, green laser hand stop. Both utilize the same pistol grip. SBA3 adjustable brace. And are fully broken in, ready for action. I'll shoot another video here soon where I'm going to fire both of them so you can hear and see the difference. I will be honest, fireballs galore out of both of them, especially the 7-inch. I mean, it almost, every round for round almost, it's a fire-breathing dragon. But that 10-inch Ruger, that 10-inch barrel, when I'm shooting 5.56 or 2.23, but when you shoot out of a 10-inch barrel with 5.56, everybody in the range or outdoor range will take notice. You know, the friendly complaints. Hey, you're making a little noise over there. So it's a lot of fun, though. Had a lot of fun shooting them. Always practice firearm safety. As you can see, both of my bolts are locked back. Must be as safe as possible. These are not toys. They are not games. They are not to be played with. We do not play with firearms. We learn how to safely utilize them. All right, till next time, catch you on the flip side.